So today we talk about words. I'll talk about words. Words. Which words, you ask? Aha, used to, be used to, get used to. These are the words, sometimes cause problems, so let me sort it out for you. First of all, we have tip of the day, and the tip of the day today is pause and repeat. Pause and repeat. While you're listening to a video like this, pause and repeat. Stop and repeat. Pause and repeat. Pause and repeat. Pause and repeat. And so here we go, when we emphasize something that used to happen in the past but doesn't happen now. So we're making it stronger. And look at the pronunciation, it's used to. Used to. I used to ride a bike. I still do. Here we go. So repeated continuous. I played basketball. Normal past simple. I played basketball a lot when I was at school. If you want to make this stronger, add used to. I used to. I used to play basketball. I used to play basketball a lot when I was at school. And it's just the verb, not ing, just the verb. And continuous, I lived in Manchester. I used to live in Manchester. If it's the negative, just notice how the spelling changes. Didn't use, no D. I didn't used to have lots of friends. Oh, what a shame. She didn't used to have lots of friends. Oh, why didn't she used to have lots of friends? Because she used to be quite shy. And so notice didn't used to, and used to. General, it used to be peaceful by the river. It isn't now. Time words. I never used to enjoy classical music. I do now. I sometimes used to imagine living in Japan. I don't now. I often used to go to the theatre. So this is all possible. Now, if we have not a specific time, you can't use used to. So if you say, I used to sing in a choir last year, it doesn't work. Last year is a specific time, so we can't use used to. I used to sing in a choir for 2 years. For 2 years is a specific limited time, so I'm sorry, it's just past simple. I sang in a choir for 2 years. Let's practice time, folks. Here we go. Peter smoked a packet a day when he was younger. Yes, a packet a day, so this will be a packet of cigarettes. Naughty Peter. Bad habit. Peter smoked a packet a day when he was younger. So it's possible to say Peter used to smoke a packet a day when he was younger. Last year, specific time, no used to. Simon worked in Ireland for 3 months. 3 months, specific, limited time, no good. Lizzie dyed her hair different colours before she went back to Japan. Yes, something she did but she doesn't do now, not limited time. Lizzie used to dye her hair. Lizzie used to dye her hair different colours before she went back to Japan. Joyce went to university in Spain. Specific time, therefore no used to. Joyce went to university in Spain only. I didn't like London when I first moved here. Is this specific time? No, it isn't. It's general. I didn't used to like London when I first moved here. I didn't used to like London when I first moved here. Before smartphones, people made their own entertainment. Before smartphones. Now, general time, not specific. And so, before smartphones, people used to make their own entertainment. Wonderful. Where did you work before you came here? Before you came here. Limited time? Specific time? No. Where did you used to work before you came here? Where did you used to work before you came here? Now we move on to this. Now, when we say something was difficult but okay now, or something that's normal, this is adapting. This is saying, it was difficult, it was strange at first, but it's okay now, or it's normal. And so we use be used to. I am used to. She is used to. We are used to. I am getting used to. And so we use the verb ing, or we can use a noun. So let's have a look. Okay, now, I'm used to commuting into London every day. I'm used to commuting into London every day. At first it was a bit difficult, but it's okay now. Not fantastic, just okay. Then we have normal. I'm used to having a coffee first thing in the morning. This is normal for me. And so this is another way to use I am used to, she is used to, you are used to. Past we can also use. When I moved to London, I wasn't used to the noise. I wasn't used to the noise. Future. You'll be used to driving on the left after a few weeks. Yes, if you practice, it'll be no problem for you. It'll be okay. You'll be used to driving on the left after a few weeks. Modals, you should be used to driving. Probably. You should be used to driving on the left after a few weeks. This is also possible. Now, when we describe the change, the process from being difficult to being okay, we use get used to. Get used to, verb ing, or get used to, noun. And so this is the process, not arriving. So it's we are adapting, but we haven't adapted, maybe. So I'm getting used to commuting into London every day. It's getting better. It's not great, but it's getting better. Past, Anna slowly got used to the English winters. She slowly adapted. Future, you'll eventually get used to English people saying sorry all the time. Or maybe not. You might never get used to English people saying sorry all the time. And so it's practice time, folks. Yes, practice, 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 practice. Pause and repeat. And so, number one, I don't think I could ever... Now, what do you think? I think this is about adapting, isn't it? And so, I don't think I could ever get used to living in a big city. I don't think I could get used to living in a big city. I don't think I could get used to living in a big city. I could. I like the big city, but I like the country too. Anyway, you don't need to know about me. Let's keep going. Helen. In the past, Helen used to hate flying, but over the years she has got used to it. She has adapted slowly. Now, in the past, I'm used to getting up early in the morning. It wasn't the past, was it? No, it's about being normal. Now I'm used to getting up early in the morning for work, but in the past, I used to find it very difficult. Now I'm used to getting up early in the morning for work, but I used to find it very difficult. Marco, until he sold it. So this is about the past, I think. Marco used to ride a motorbike until he sold it. Number 5. Living alone, but now I... So I think first is past, isn't it? I didn't used to like living alone, but now... There are 2 possibles, folks. Now I am used to it. I've adapted and it's okay. Or I'm getting used to it. It's not so bad. It's getting better. So I'm used to, I have adapted, I'm getting used to, I am adapting slowly. When Sarah first started driving in London, she couldn't get used to driving on the left. When Sarah first started driving in London, she couldn't get used to driving on the left. No more coffee for me, number 7. No more coffee for me. This is not normal for me. I'm not used to drinking. I'm not used to drinking more than 1 cup a day. When Michael was a boy, in the past, he didn't used to work very hard at school. Naughty Michael, I hope you work hard now. I'm thinking about moving to Greece, but I don't know if I could, away from my family. So this is not the past, is it? So I don't know if I could process. I don't know if I could get used to being away from my family. My family. My girlfriend. But she slowly, so in the past, she didn't used to like my taste in music, my kind of music, my taste in music, but she slowly processed getting used to it. And that's the practice, folks. So remember, go back, pause and repeat. Enjoy. And so it is time to say goodbye. Or as some people say, God bless